have landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until a seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Raul Arellano, First Officer Nicolas Castañeda, and the rest of the crew members, we'd like to say thank you for flying with us.